So we've come to a national park here, and the place is called Bua Thong Waterfall, I think. Is that how you pronounce it, honey? Bua Thong Waterfall?
Yeah.
Bua Thong Waterfall, up in the mountains past Chiang Mai. So I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff now. So here, the visitor centre. And yes, there is parking here, and it was free to enter for as we could see. And here's the actual name of the waterfall, if you're looking for it. And the name of the national park. It says Bua Thong Waterfall and Chet Fountain National Park over there. But let's go in and have a bit of a look around so we can see. It looks like there's a bit of coffee shop, and we've been dying for coffee since we were here this morning. Bit of a drive up into the mountains here, but looks like it's popular because the car park was full. So yeah, there is a coffee place here. And you can tell it's just beautiful surroundings up here in the mountains. Well, let's go find coffee. So the surroundings, yeah. So there's a coffee place there. I think there was some food there too, wasn't there?
Yeah.
That you can actually order.
You can order.
Toilets here, up in the mountains. Yeah, a lot of toilets. Not sure what that is. Looks like Phra area. That you can see here. I think there's a viewpoint here of the waterfall. Let's go have a quick look of what the viewpoint is over here. Also, it looks like there is some walking trails. You got a nature trail, which is about 90 metres. Bua Thong Waterfall, 30 metres. And Chet Cold Spring, 200 metres. No fishing, no rope climbing, no eating. Danger. Let's have a look. We have a bit of a look. Yes.
Really?
Look at this. Now, I honestly don't know how safe this is. Like taking your young kid down this waterfall. See? Someone's just nearly slipped. But look what they're bloody doing. It's highly slippery. And they're using a rope to go down with a young kid. If that parent slips wrong, they're going to be badly injured. But I don't think I'd be stupid enough to take my young kid down there. Why is it cold?
Yeah, I lost some more fish here.
There's fish that eat your feet here in this water. Let's go look at this lookout point. That's what it shows us. So yeah, you can walk down there with the rope.
They have.
And there's a walking trail down the side there too.
7 steps.
7 steps. Oh, look at this view.
They do farm. When they have money now.
That view is just beautiful.
Not working the farm. Can do other farm, can do handcraft. Like silk, like handicraft.
The go-to is caused by chemical precipitation or evaporation of water until causing blistering into thin slides of soft texture consisting of calcium carbonate, often found on the springs, streams or caves, may be found in thick pieces. The Phra Bua Thong Waterfall is caused by crystallization of limestone coating and soil surface stone for a long time until causing the thick limestone stains. There you go. So that's what makes this.
Like eating your side.
Yes.
Lovely.
That's just talking about some of the fauna and flora, butterflies, some of the animals here, birds, plants. Alright, let's see where Anne's going. So there's a walkway that goes along there. I'm not sure where it goes to. Let's have a look. So there's a few walkways. There's ones that go up, ones that go down along the waterfall. And yeah, so it shows you a trail. And it says, please stay on the trail. Yeah, so we're going to walk up to the Chet Sea Cold Spring. Let's go up and check it out. Just listen to how quiet this place is. I'm just coming down to another section here. Sorry?
They have water. They don't have water.
That's in the car. Take it, these are the cold springs. Very crystal clear in there. So yes, we've looked at the springs, and yet you've got two options. Walk down the stairs, or you can try and balance down the dangerous waterfall and slide all the way with a rope. So, yeah. As I always say, that the work health and safety in Thailand does not exist. Down and down and down and down. As we walk down, people slide down over there. Yeah. So yes. To the bottom of the waterfall area. Is it? And there's a few layers to it, apparently. Not sure.
7-4. This one 7-2.
I just got to say, look at this. So the people climb down it with a rope, right? Now it's limestone, and as you know, limestone with water can be exceptionally slippery. And there's people trying to climb back up with no rope. That's adventure, isn't it? Or just being plain silly. So the waterfall has a few levels. This is level 3 that we're actually at the moment. And we're going down to level 4, I think. And again, people are continuing to walk down from the top along the slippery limestone rocks. That's kind of like, yeah, go down the really slippery, potentially dangerous route, or be logical and use stairs. I don't know. Maybe they just think it's fun. if they slip and slide all the way down. And all she's concerned about is seeing papaya trees.
Yeah, everywhere.
Yeah, I know, they grow in the wild. Alright, more stairs. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Look at this nature though, it's beautiful around here. So here's another angle where they're all sort of coming down and walking down these waterfalls. I still say, why take the dangerous route where you can possibly slip and fall down? Then you can just use the stairs. Such is life. So was coming here actually worth it? Well, yeah, beautiful view. It is beautiful national park, beautiful forest, very quiet and relaxing place to come to. But if you're coming here just for the waterfall, then I'd say it's a very small waterfall compared to others. And it's not worth it if you're just coming for the waterfall. If you're coming just to get away from nature and come and relax, then yeah, it's not a bad place. You can come up here, sit amongst the trees, have a bit of a picnic as such, bring your own food. Though I did have coffee here. I wasn't a fan of the coffee, to be honest, in this particular place here. So yes, overall, the reason you'd come here is just because it's quiet, beautiful nature, and a bit of a hike, a bit of a walking thing. Walking tracks, stuff like that, just to enjoy nature. Outside of that, if you're coming up here just for the waterfall, it's a very small, superficial waterfall compared to some places here. And yes, I wouldn't exactly buy coffee from here, to be honest. But there is a little general store there where you can buy some snacks, and but not much else up here. So if you're going to bring food, you're going to bring snacks, you'd want to bring it with you in the car and maybe sit out at one of the picnic tables there and have something to eat. But anyway, if you like these sort of videos and this information I sort of pass out, please hit like and subscribe as I continue on my travels and continue to give you information as I go.